Undertaker going right, that shoulder right to the ring post. Triple H trying to maim The Undertaker, using the ring post as a tag team partner, just like the Game maimed Shawn Michaels at SummerSlam.
I don't think this match has even officially started yet, has it?
I have not heard the bell ring. And anything is fair game until that bell rings, unfortunately, on this exchange for The Undertaker.
They haven't actually even been in the ring yet. Triple H attacked The Undertaker as soon as he got off his motorcycle.
That take right hand, a deadly weapon by Triple H. But thank God it's not a sledgehammer, as we saw the Game use. Old school Undertaker walking the top. And The Undertaker now with a cover, but can't find the 3 count over the Cerebral Assassin. Now what a war it would be, The Undertaker or Triple H against Brock Lesnar. I'd love to see that. Undertaker. Got his attention, and The Undertaker. A look in The Undertaker's face for Triple H. A thumb to the eye. Undertaker releasing that choke. Thinking about a choke slam, reverse of the Irish whip. And The Undertaker just at 6'10 and a half, 305, engulfing the Game in the corner. Straight right hand.
Well, The Undertaker loves to nail his opponent with, like you said, the straight right hands right into your face.
Big
Look at this.
soup balls, snake eyes. And Triple H counters with that high knee right to the face of The Undertaker. The knockdown.
That's pretty impressive, JR. You can say what a despicable human being he is all you want to, but the Game is impressive.
I never said he wasn't a great athlete, a phenomenal athlete. But he isn't for what he did to a man that considered him at one time his best friend, like a brother. What Triple H did to Shawn Michaels at SummerSlam, he can't be considered anything but a despicable human being in my book. The ring post, the stairs. Undertaker's body has met the steel on 2, make it 3 occasions in this matchup. Senior wrestler Earl Hebner knows the importance of this game. He's not there. He's back in the ring now, going to utilize that 10 count.
Triple H knows the importance of this too. He'll do anything, and I mean absolutely anything, to become the #1 contender.
Triple H back in, breaks the referee's count.
He thought he was, he thought he was owed that title shot. He came out here and told Brock Lesnar that because he softened The Rock up, that he thought Brock Lesnar owed him the first shot.
Well, The Undertaker has something.
And I think he has a point there.
Well, he has a good point, but The Undertaker also has a point. Undertaker never lost at Vengeance, and Undertaker was never pinned in the triple threat match. The Rock beat Kurt Angle in that matchut. So The Undertaker's also got a legitimate claim for a rematch.
That's why we got this match, thanks to Eric Bischoff.
Nice swinging neck breaker by the Game. Perfectly done. Up to the leg. Well, no. The Undertaker kicking out there after the swinging neck breaker. Game back up. Triple H in control of The Undertaker. Straight right hands right to that jaw. Triple H trying to unhinge the jaw of the